Out from the shadows. I'm Naked Ninja with another video. So what we got today, and I'm kind of excited, as you can tell, I'm like, woohoo! Is it came in the mail today, and I'm back from this thing. It's called Iotty, and what it is and I got two of them, of course. Crowdfunding, decent price for the Kickstarter setup, what you got to do, but it's a light switch that connects with your control system that has touchscreen capability. For instance, like it is, so it's Wi-Fi enabled, it's touchscreen enabled, it has a proximity sensor, so when you walk by it, backlight, I'm on the back side, which I'll show you, lights up, it has acoustic feedback, you can change the color, and it's really easy to put in, kind of like all the rest of them. And I've never just got them, I know they just came out recently. I don't even think you could still get them online, you have to go through a Kickstarter to get it. And I got two of them. So I wanted to open one up real quick for you guys, show you what it is. And I'm excited too because I haven't seen what it is. So if you can tell, it kind of tells you what it is right there. Iotty light switch, UAI. How many amperage, 110 frequency, half amp, which is fine, you know, and everything else. So let's see, we got, let me do this real quick. One, looks like another two. These are always awesome. I just got these off my doorway, so I didn't have time to do anything but this real quick. But I wanted to show you guys because I'm kind of excited too. And I will install it, so I'll make a video just showing quick how to install it, which is pretty easy. Just like any kind of light switch. If you're an electrician, you can do it yourself. And then how to connect it. Oh, damn, that is sweet. So, so it's like, oh, this is pretty awesome. Okay, so in the box it has a switch. Let's look at this real quick. So I'm an electrician by trade. So you get a line, neutral, and the relay. So what you can probably do is, and I'm going to find out about how this works, but probably multitask, most like for like a fan or something too on top of it. But line neutral is pretty straightforward. Boom, there it is. And you're probably going to cap these off. Or connect, this will be probably your load, and I guess it's not going to care as much where it's going to, but like I said, I will find out what these are and how to install, and I'll show you guys. But this right here, it's freaking so as you can tell, see, this is here, look, you can see it's like a plexiglass, or it's plastic, a resin plastic on a base sandwiched together with the backlight here, it looks like. And this stuff lights, and then this can change lights. See, I got the white one because I have white walls, of course. It's probably the most common one, but they have multiple colors that you can get. But it's pretty sick. I like it because it's touchscreen. It's not wreathed, it's flat, as you can tell. Sorry, flat right there. And it should be pretty awesome to see. So in the box, of course, you get this. Wire nuts, probably some screws in there too. I guess not actually. I'm going to have to see how to attach it, but that, not much else in the box. It shows, so you can do multiple light switches, multi gangs. So, okay, so they have different versions. This is just a single gang, not the double gang or triple gang. And so you understand the single gang is just one single light, dual gang is two lights, and three, of course, would be three gang, which is three lights, three controlling. So you can do, if you can tell, you can see right there, it's multiple three gangs. But it tells you how to do everything: turn power on, turn power off, load line, connect your wires, run it, and then it'll tell you how to connect to the Wi-Fi. The good thing about it, because I've seen a review online about this, is before it even came out to this point where you could actually get it, it connects with Smarthings, or anything that's Wi-Fi enabled. So I'm not sure about the Amazon directly or Google directly, Google Assistant or Amazon Echo, or Amazon Assistant, whatever the hell you want to call it. But I don't know if it connects directly with that. But I will find out. I just want to show you what came in the box. Like I said, this is this is cool. And, eventually this is where everything will go to, I'm sure, with no recess. So you just touch it and on and off and blah, blah, blah. So I'll show you, I'll take a quick video showing how to install it, what it looks like, how it works, and give you my expertise on it, because I have a couple different places for the two that I have right here to replace, because I've had problems with Zigbee switches, like GE and whatnot. They're just not really work very well. So, yeah, that's it. There's not much in the box. Pretty straightforward. Instruction manual, duh. Go on support. I don't even know why they do these anymore. It's just quicker to just go online. and cheaper for them, I'm sure. But yeah, it comes with this, and goes back in there. But it's pretty sick looking, if you ask me. I mean, I'm pretty excited. Cool. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. You know, if you want to see more content like this, let me know. And you can find more information on their website. I will actually attach the webpage for the Kickstarter that you can find on this to the comments description area for you. But, you know, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You want to see more content like this, you know, subscribe, please. Let me know too in the comments. And, you know, thumbs up if you like it. Appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and be back soon. Bye.